Okay, how to play a stack. So we've created our stack and now we're ready to share with our classroom. So here is my stack. I click on dashboard to get here and I see that my category is marked as private, which means no one will be able to find or use the stacks. So I'm actually going to click on edit. I'm going to take it out of private and I want to allow others to view this set. And I'm going to leave it in an unfinished category. However, you can categorize yours appropriately. And I want to click on save changes. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And when I open up my stack, there's no share or anything like that because Study Stack is really designed for individuals to work. And so this is more of something I would think for middle school, high school, if you are not tracking what students are doing. So this could be just like a class activity that you're not necessarily giving credit for because there will not be a way for you to tell if a student participated or not. Now, the way that you could tell if you were interested is you would have to, number one, ensure they log in because they can't practice a stack without logging in. And then number two, you actually have to physically go around, see that they're logged in, and you can look at their history to see what they've studied. But this is really just a fun thing for students to be able to do on their own, a different way for them to study vocabulary terms and things like that. So I'm going to click here and just assume I was assigning this to students on Schoology or Google Classroom. I would just take this link up here and this link will put students right into my flashcards. So I'm going to copy it and I'm just going to open an incognito window so that you can see. And I'm going to paste it here and open it. And once students click on the link, ta-da, they're there. And so they can study from that point on. Now you'll notice at the top it says log in or sign up. So if a student does not log into their own account that they've created, then unfortunately they won't have any data to show that they actually practice it. And so that's why I said again, this is a nice site to kind of use to allow students to practice, but I would not necessarily want to track students using this particular site.